In a tranquil village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a humble Zen master named Kaito. His presence was like a soothing breeze, and his wisdom radiated like the gentle rays of the morning sun. People from far and wide sought his guidance, not only for spiritual enlightenment but also for the wisdom he imparted about living a harmonious life. Kaito's teachings were simple yet profound, and his demeanor was always marked by compassion and humility. He believed that true respect was not earned through power or authority, but through genuine understanding, kindness, and the ability to connect with others at the deepest level of their being. One day, a young man named Hiro arrived at the village. Hiro was ambitious and sought power and recognition above all else. He had heard rumors of Zen Master Kaito's wisdom and hoped to learn from him in order to gain respect from everyone in the village. Hiro approached Kaito and said, "Master Kaito, I wish to become a respected figure in this village. Teach me your ways so that people will look up to me." Kaito smiled and agreed to take Hiro as his student. But he warned Hiro that the path to respect was not about manipulation or control, it was about understanding oneself and others deeply. Kaito began Hiro's training with lessons on mindfulness, compassion, and empathy. Days turned into weeks, and Hiro's impatience grew. He expected instant results, but Kaito patiently guided him through each lesson, emphasizing the importance of inner transformation. As Hiro's heart began to soften, he started to see the value in Kaito's teachings. One evening, as Hiro and Kaito sat by a serene pond, Hiro began to reflect on his journey. He realized that his quest for respect had been driven by his own insecurities and desires. Kaito noticed Hiro's contemplative expression and gently said, "Respect is not something you demand from others, it is something you earn through your actions and the way you treat those around you." Hiro looked at Kaito with newfound understanding. He saw how his ambition had blinded him to the simple truths of life. With Kaito's guidance, he began to mend broken relationships and extend acts of kindness to others without expecting anything in return. Over time, Hiro's transformation became evident to the villagers. He was no longer driven by a hunger for power and respect, but by a genuine desire to connect with others and contribute positively to the community. People began to seek his counsel, not out of fear or authority, but out of genuine admiration for his change of heart. As the years passed, Hiro became known for his humility, compassion, and genuine concern for others. He had earned the respect he once sought, not by force or manipulation, but by embodying the teachings of Zen Master Kaito. Zen Master Kaito's wisdom had worked its magic once again, showing that the path to respect and admiration lay in cultivating a heart full of love and understanding. And as the village continued to thrive under the influence of these transformative teachings, the radiant wisdom of Zen Master Kaito touched the lives of all who crossed his path.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos.